ask na po, bakit niyo po naisipan bumalik sa Senado ngayon?
To make a difference, unfinished business. I represent a newly formed party, Reform PH, People's Party. Itong reforma kasi, hindi ito sinasabi lang, no? Hindi iniisip, ginagawa. That's why 40 years ago, the Reform the Armed Forces movement was born. And since then, as senator, as a rebel, as a secretary, we have been fighting for economic reforms, land reform, electoral reforms, social reforms, and even reforms in our spiritual lives. So that's the reason why I have decided to ask for another mandate from the Filipino people.
One question lang po. Sir, meron po bang particular bill na para po sa inyo ay unfinished business ninyo?
Land use, national security, freedom of information, of course, national security, no? And then food security, which has been elevated to the level of a national security problem. So what we look for through legislative intervention is harmony in our families, because we cannot give MAB what we do not have, no? Harmony in our families, cooperation in our communities, order in the state, inclusive growth for the nation, and security in our shores. Lagi tayo napapako kasi dun sa pro or anti. We forgot about being pro-Filipino. So we prepare, we mobilize, we unite, we organize. Let me add, Ma'am, no, for your benefit. I'm asked, former secretary, former colonel, former senator, does the Philippines have an army to confront the threats against us? I said, no, the Philippines doesn't have an army because the Philippines is an army.